Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm making bread pakoras. It's a popular Indian fried snack, a perfect Mumbai's roadside snack. I never tried it before, but when I saw this recipe online, I wanted to give this a try. It's crispy on the outside and bursting with hot, spicy, tangy flavors inside. I like to define bread pakoras as two slices of bread sandwiched with awesomeness inside. So let's go and make it happen. So first we're gonna make our filling, and I am making authentic Mumbai style bread pakoras. So we're gonna make aloo bhujia for that. So I'm just mashing some boiled potatoes, and then I add some cube onions. Then I'll be adding some chopped chilies. You can add chopped cilantro as well. I was out of it. Season it with some salt, red chili powder, some amchur powder, and garam masala powder, and then start mixing all your ingredients with the potatoes until they are completely mixed, and then keep this potato mixture on the side. Now we're gonna go and make our gram flour basin batter. So for that, add carom seed, ajwain, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and some baking soda into gram flour, and then mix all the dry ingredients. Now we're gonna make a batter with some water. Add little by little. If you make a thick batter, it will break the bread when you fry your bread pakoras. And if you make a very runny, thin batter, then it won't stay on your bread when you fry your bread pakoras. So for this, we need a runny, medium consistency gram flour batter, like so. So here you can see my batter is done. Then take some bread slices, arrange it on your cutting board, and then take your mint chutney or hari chutney and spread it on one bread slice. Now if you're serving two kids and they don't like this spicy chutney, you can use ketchup, and that's what I'm doing. I'm making some with the chutney and some with ketchup only. Then take your potato filling and then spread it on one side of your bread slice evenly. Make sure you're covering all the sides. Then take another piece of bread slice and cover it and top it off. Make it like a sandwich, and repeat the same process with the rest of your bread slices and until you are done using your filling. Then cut your sandwich in half and make two triangles like so. Then take one part of your sandwich and dip it in a gram flour batter. Make sure you're covering all the sides, and then deep fry them into a hot oil until they get very nice golden color on both sides. Then transfer it onto a piece of paper towel to absorb excess oil. Now here you can see one of my bread pakora is ready. To make it look more presentable, I cut in half so the filling and the coating and all those chutneys and tomato ketchup are visible. Crispy coating from outside and yummy delicious potato filling inside. This bread pakora is ready to serve. You can have it with tamarind chutney, mint chutney, or even with the tomato ketchup. I've seen a lot of different variation online. People are making it with some chicken and cheese, some white sauce filling. So it's totally up to you however you want to make your bread pakora, but I did same authentic Mumbai roadside style bread pakora today. And if you're trying this at home, please don't forget to take a picture and send it to me with the hashtag Ramadan with morEwish. And please remember me and my family in your prayers. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.